Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the notebook into GitHub. This is the essential first action. Clone or navigate to your repo, then add the IPN file and push changes so GitHub stores the notebook. Once done, make sure the file path is correct and visible in the repo root or desired folder. You do this now because GitHub needs the notebook file to render or be launched by external services. After confirming upload, proceed to view it directly on GitHub to validate. Once the notebook is in place, open it on GitHub to inspect the rendered content and check for missing outputs or large data links. Then decide how you will run it. GitHub Codespaces provides instant VM access. Binder builds a live environment from requirements, and bviewer is read-only. Make sure you include a requirements, txt or environment. IML so the runtime matches. This prevents missing packages. If you expect complex dependencies, add a Docker file. Now you launch the notebook in the selected environment and run the initial cells to confirm everything works. You should install any missing packages if import errors appear, and mount data sources or authenticators for external APIs. Make sure to save outputs or push changes back to your repo if needed. If something goes wrong, check the build and runtime logs for dependency or permission errors, then update requirements. txt, clear caches, and rebuild. This often resolves environment mismatches and runtime failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.